Hi everyone, today I'm going to share something really cool, how trees, plants and even the ocean can help cool down our earth and fight climate change. My poster is called Carbon Balance, Forest Photosynthesis and the Battle Against Global Warming. You might be wondering, what's the carbon cycle? Well, it's nature's way of moving carbon around and it's super important to keep our earth happy and healthy. Let's start with something called carbon dioxide or CO2. CO2 is a gas that's all around us. We breathe it out when we exhale, and it releases when we drive car, use electricity or burn things like coal and gas. Some CO2 is okay, but too much of it can trap heat and make the earth warmer. That's called global warming, and it can lead to big problems like melting ice, rising sea level, and stronger storms. But here's the good news. Nature has a way to fight back. Trees and plants are like nature superheroes. They use sunlight, water, and CO2 to grow. A process called photosynthesis. It's like the plant's version of eating. When trees eat CO2, they keep it inside their wood, leaf, and root. That means less CO2 is floating around in the air that can help cool the planet. One tree can absorb up to 14 kilograms of CO2 in a year. Imagine if we plant thousands or millions of trees, we could make a big difference. And it's not just trees. The ocean also can help. Tiny plants in the water called algae take in CO2 just like trees do. They might be small, but they live in huge number. So together they absorb a lot of CO2. That's why protecting the ocean is just as important as protecting forests. But here's the problem. We are putting too much CO2 in the air, more than nature can handle. Factories, cars, and cutting down trees all add more carbon dioxide. Also, in places like high mountain, the air is thin and the carbon cycle slows down. That means CO2 is stay in the air longer. This can make the earth even warmer and harder for plants and ocean to keep up. Here are a few simple things to help. First, plant more trees. Second, use clean energy like solar or wind. Third, turn off light and electronic when not in use. Fourth, walk or cycle instead of using car. Lastly, reduce, reuse and recycle. Even small actions make a big difference when a lot of people do them. To wrap it up, the carbon cycle is a nature way to keep balancing. And trees, plants, and the ocean are doing an amazing job helping us fight climate change. But they need our help too. If we take care of nature, it will take care of us. Let's all be Earth heroes and work together to keep our planet clean and cool.